I'm tired of carrying big fat jump starter kit to jump start a car if the battery's dead. And I'm tired of getting small little jump packs from Halfords where the battery keeps on dying. This is absolute junk. And now we've got our complete brand new 2026 jump starter called Wolfbox. Now this is an absolute game changer. We're going to talk all about it in this video. This thing pushes 150 psi of air. It's got LED lights so you can see through the dark. If you're out in the night time and your car breaks down or the tire's flat, it's got LED. It's got a booster pack that puts out more power than the Nico Boost Plus from Halfords. So let's unbox it together. It comes with the introduction booklet, everything that you need to do, all the buttons, what you need to press, what you need to cancel. Look how small it is, look how compact it is. Oh, check out a pack, brand new. Look at this, guys. Wolfbox 2008 and 150 psi. That is powerful from a small box. Look how big it is. That's my hand. And it's so light and compact. How can something like this produce so much power? So you've got the massive minus positive connectors, and then you've got the air compressor connector that will both connect at the same time right here. So we're going to test them both right now. Is Wolfbox really worth it? Is it really best jump starter? We're going to find out in this video. Do you not think that's bad, boy? Do you not think that is pretty sick? It shows you how much battery is left. It shows you how much PSI you could put it to, how much power you want to put, how much air you want to put. For example, I want to set it to 34, 35, 36, 37. You know, you do 40 PSI. And you don't have to turn it off. It'll just push to the exact PSI you want. And that is technology. Technology. Plug it in like this. Like, oh, look at the air. Whoa! What the? That is bright. What? Look at this. Danger, danger. Oh, SOS. That is sick. That is mad. So if I want to look for something, look at that. It got a USB for your phone chargers and a small mini USB as well. So you got options, which is really good. That is extra. I didn't know that came with a jump starter. It's even got a fan, so if it ever overheats, this thing is durable. Think about it. This little thing can power up a car. Where's the air? Where is the fan? It's gonna burn out, which it has, and that's why it keeps on. Battery keeps on dying. But with this, it's so strong, built for durability, and that's what you want in a jump starter pack. Air compressor right now, nice and easy. A jump starter pack and an air compressor, 2-in-1. What other jump starter pack do you know that can do two things at once? Right, let's do this. So right now, I got a jump start the Total Sora 1JZ big turbo that requires a lot of power, and it's been parked up for 2 years. And the only thing that's going to start it up is the Wolfbox starter pack and air compressor, because the tires are quite low. The tire is really low, so thank God I got a starter pack that has an air compressor, because I can pump the tire up now. Really good. That is really handy. It's quite dark right here and I can't see what I'm doing, so let's turn the light on. Now I can see what I'm doing. I can see the engine bay in the dark place. Look at that. I can see exactly what I'm doing. That is literally all you need. I can see the turbo, I can see the battery, and I couldn't have done that if this didn't have a light that bright. But the plus, the negative, you can see a green light popping up right there. So basically that just means that it's on max power. So let's give that a try right now. I couldn't get a car. That small portable device is going to do it. I did try the other ones, but the battery died. But the Wolfbox has come to save the day. There's only one way to find out, guys. No way it's cranking! The Sora started up! It's fired up, man! Big thanks to Wolfbox. You gotta get the jumper. Absolutely mental. After such a long time, the Sora started up using the Wolfbox. Now I need to pump up the tyre. Actually pump it with a tyre, and it's so fast and powerful. Only took literally 2 minutes and the tyre's already pumped up. That 150 psi is so powerful and it's doing the job. We can finally get the Sora out now and go for a POV drive. If you want to grab one of these jump packs, the link is down in the description. Grab yourself one. If you get in a situation like this will save the day. Let's go. One Jay-Z's back on the road. Let's go. Let's go. This thing is working, guys! Whoa!